All right, we're looking at a 2018 Road Glide. This bike has just about 18,000 miles on it. Vivid black. One of the nice things about the bike is that it does have the docking hardware already on the bike, so that if you need a backrest or you want to put a tour pack on the bike, you can certainly do that. This bike does have the Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch motor, plenty of horsepower and torque. The shark nose fairing is a fixed fairing, which makes it great for riding this bike in heavy winds. Anyone that has ridden the Shark knows that. This bike is very, very clean, very nice. If you want to know more about the specs or the pricing, please go to desertwindhd.com and check it out there.